Dear students, welcome to the physics class. Today we will discuss scalar or dot product of two vectors. Okay, now the dot product of two vectors is a scalar which is equal to the product of magnitude of vectors and the cosine of the smaller angle between them. Okay, if this is vector A, this is vector B, and theta is the angle between A and B, then A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Okay, for example, work done. Work done is a scalar quantity and W is equal to F dot S. Okay, force into displacement vector. F dot S is equal to Fs cos theta. Okay, as A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, similarly F dot S is equal to Fs cos theta. Now the important properties of scalar product. Number one is scalar product of two vectors may be positive, 0 and negative. It depends on the angle between two vectors. Okay, if theta is less than 90 degree, for example, take theta is equal to 60 degree. Okay, take theta is equal to 60 degree, then A dot B is equal to AB cos 60 and the value of cos 60 is 1 by 2. That is AB by 2, a positive value. Okay, it gives a positive value. Now, if theta becomes 90 degree, then A dot B is equal to AB cos 90. The value of cos 90 is 0. So, A dot B will be 0. Now, if theta is greater than 90 degree, take theta is equal to 120 degree, suppose. Then, A dot B is equal to AB cos 120 and the value of cos 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is a negative value because cos 120 is equal to minus 1 by 2. That is minus AB by 2. Okay, so it will be a negative value. Now, scalar product is commutative. Now, A dot B is equal to AB cos theta, where theta is the angle between A and B. And B dot A, if you want to know B dot A, then it will be BA cos 360 minus theta. Where here 360 minus theta is the angle between B and A. Okay. Theta is the angle between A and B, and 360 minus theta is the angle between B and A. Okay. Now, cos 360 minus theta means cos theta. Okay. Since B and A are magnitude only, so we can interchange B and A as AB cos theta. Okay. Now we can write in place of AB cos theta as A dot B. Okay. AB cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B vector. Okay. So AB cos theta is equal to vector A dot vector B. So we have B dot A is equal to A dot B. That is, we can interchange A and B vector. Okay. So scalar product is commutative. Now next is scalar product is distributive. A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Okay. This dot product is distributive over the addition of two vectors. Okay. A dot B plus C is equal to A dot B plus A dot C. Now next property is scalar product of a vector with itself gives square of its magnitude. If we do dot product of any vector with itself, vector A dot vector A, both vectors, vector A will be in the same direction. So the angle between A and A will be 0. Okay, A cos 0 and the value of cos 0 degree is equal to 1, that is A square. Okay, now next is property is scalar product of unit orthogonal vectors. We know that unit orthogonal vectors are I cap, j cap, k cap. I cap is along x direction, j cap is along y direction, k cap is along z direction. Then I cap dot j cap will be I j cos 90. Okay, I cap is along x direction, j cap is along y direction. That is I cap dot j cap will be I j cos 90 and the value of cos 90 is 0. So it gives 0. Similarly, j cap dot k cap. Now j cap is along y direction, k cap is along z direction. That is angle between them is 90 degree. So it will be j k cos 90 0. Similarly, k cap dot I cap. ki cos 90. Okay, 0. Now next is I cap dot I cap. I cap dot I cap, both are same that and denotes x direction. So I cap dot I cap will be I cos 0. Okay, I cap and I cap both are in the same direction, x direction. That means angle between them is 0. So it will be I cap dot I cap is equal to I cos 0. Now these are unit orthogonal vectors. I cap, j cap, k cap are unit orthogonal vectors. That means their magnitude is 1. So I cap 1, I cap 1, and the value of cos 0 is 1. 1 into 1 into 1 is equal to 1. Okay. Now similarly j cap dot j cap. J cap, as we know, j cap is along y direction. So this will be j cos 0. Okay. This will be j cos 0. Again, unit orthogonal vectors. J is a unit orthogonal vector. That means its magnitude is 1. That is j is 1 into j is 1 and cos 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 into 1 is 1. Similarly, k cap dot k cap. That is k cos 0. That is 1 into 1 into 1. That is gives 1. Now, scalar product of two vectors is equal to the sum of product of their corresponding x, y, z components. Now, we know about the resolution of vectors. Okay, in the previous class, okay, in the previous video, we know about the resolution of any vector. Now, vector A dot vector B. We can write vector A as ax I cap plus ay j cap plus az k cap. Okay. As you already know, dot B, we can write B vector as bx I cap plus by j cap plus bz k cap. Now, using these formulas, we can multiply only I cap, jj cap and kk cap vectors. Okay, because they gives 1, not, and we leave these vectors which have I cap dot j cap dot k cap or k cap dot I cap, because these gives 0. Okay, we multiply only I cap, ax I cap dot bx I cap, which gives ax bx. Okay, because we know that I cap, the magnitude of these orthogonal vectors is 1. Okay, so ax I cap dot bx I cap is equal to ax bx. We leave the term I cap dot j cap term and I cap dot k cap term. Okay, because they gives 0. Now, similarly, multiply jj cap term only, because they will give 1. Ay j cap plus dot by j cap gives ay by. Okay, and the remaining term will be 0. And az k cap dot bz k cap will gives az bz. Okay, and the remaining terms becomes 0. So we have vector A dot vector B is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Okay, use this property in this multiplication. You will get A dot B is equal to ax bx plus ay by plus az bz. Now, the angle between A and B. Now we know that A dot B is equal to AB cos theta. Then cos theta will be A dot B upon AB. Cos theta is equal to A dot B upon AB. Magnitude of AB vector. Now, vector A dot vector B, we already find ax bx plus ay bi plus az bz, and mod of A means root ax square plus ay square plus az square. Okay, we know this in the previous video. And the mod of vector B, root bx square plus by square plus bz square. Okay, so this gives the angle, the cosine angle between two vectors. Okay, so the topic is done. Thanks for watching.
Govinda, 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 Govinda.